Hello friends, how are you all? And I'm your science teacher. Okay, today I'm going to share one interesting topic, the world's most popular sweet. Can you guess it? Is chocolate. So today I'm going to share the interesting facts about chocolates. The fact: chocolates are vegetables. Well, not literally. Chocolate is a product of cacao beans that grow in pod-like fruits on tropical cacao trees. Chocolates can help prevent tooth decay. Tooth decay appears when your mouth plays a home to bacteria that turn sugar into acids, and further eating causes cavities. The antibacterial agent in cacao beans tend to avoid the growth of bacteria and prevent tooth decay. And choose to eat dark chocolates. It contains more cacao. And chocolate milk could be a post-workout recovery drink. Chocolate milk provides carbohydrate replenishment to your muscles. The world's most expensive chocolate bar, the Whisper Gold Wrapped Bar, is offered by Cadbury. Eating dark chocolates every day, it reduces the risk of heart disease by 1/3. Hi viewers, how are you all? I'm your science teacher speaking. I think you all are good. Okay, going to share some interesting facts about water. There's more water in the atmosphere than in all of our rivers combined. Running toilet can waste up to 200 gallons of water each day. 1 gallon is equal to 3.78 liters. A bath uses up to 70 gallons of water, and a 5-minute shower uses 10 to 25 gallons. 2.6 gallons of water to make a sheet of paper, and it takes 2,641 gallons of water to make a pair of jeans. Collectively, South African women and children walk a daily distance equivalent to 16 trips to moon and back to fetch water. So please save water. Okay, today I am going to share some interesting facts about jellyfish and how jellyfish look like, what they eat, where they live, like this. Okay, jellyfish live in the sea and are found in all oceans, and some jellyfish live in freshwater too. Jellyfish look like a little umbrellas. It can be a large and brightly colored, and jellyfish have no brain, no heart, no bones and no eyes. About 5% of jellyfish bodies are made up of structural proteins, muscles and nerve cells, while remaining 95% is water. By comparing, human bodies are up to 60% of water. And despite their name, jellyfish aren't type of fish. Jellyfish eat small plant, shrimp or prawn or fish. They use their tentacles to stun prey before eating it. Interesting topic about human brain. The human brain weighs 3 pounds. Human brain has the capacity to generate approximately 23 watts of power when awake. When the blood supply to the brain stops, it is almost after 8 to 10 seconds that the brain starts losing its consciousness. The blood vessels that are present in the brain are almost 1 lakh miles in length. In early pregnancy, the neurons develop at an alarming rate of 250,000 per minute. 60% of the human brain is made up of fat. Interesting facts about our beautiful blue planet, Earth. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun and the largest of the terrestrial planets. Earth is only the 5th largest planet in terms of size and mass and dense. The rotation of the Earth is gradually slowing down. The Earth rotation is slowing down overall because of tidal waves. Highest point found on the Earth is Mount Everest, which has a height of 8.8 km. The lowest point on Earth is called Challenger Deep, and which is 10.9 km below sea level. Some amazing interesting fact about the valuable Indian rupee. The word rupee originates from the Sanskrit word rupeya, meaning silver. 5,000 and 10,000 rupees notes were in circulation between 1954 and 1978. After independence, Pakistan used Indian rupee notes stamped with Pakistan until it could print enough. At the time, 5 rupee coins were smuggled to Bangladesh for making razors. The language Hindi and English, which appear on the front side of a rupee note, 15 other languages appear on the reverse side. The cost of making an 10 rupee Indian coin is 6 rupees 10 paise. The rupee symbol was adapted by 2010, and the creator of the rupee symbol is T. Uday Kumar. Indian rupee note made up of cotton and cotton rag. Technically, it is not a paper, but it look and feel of paper. An interesting topic about Swami Nataraja Temple. Before that, please subscribe my channel. Swami Nataraja Temple, also known as Chidambaram Temple, is dedicated to Lord Shiva and located in Chidambaram town in Kadalur district in east central Tamil Nadu, India. And following are the 10 interesting facts about the Swami Nataraja Temple. The Swami Nataraja Temple is located on the equator at the center of the world. There are a total of 5 temples, out of which Chidambaram represents the skies, Kalagatti represents the wind, and Kanchi Ekambareshwara represents land. The 3 temples are located in a straight line at 79 degrees and 41 minutes longitudes. The Chidambaram temple is based on the human body and has 9 entrances like the human body's 9 openings. The roof of the temple is made of 21,600 gold sheets. The figure 21,600 denotes the number of breaths a human takes every day. Each of the 21,600 sheets are held together using 72,000 gold nails, and this represents the 72,000 nerves in the human body. One of the temples, Ponnambalam, has been built slightly to the left that represents a human heart. There are 28 pillars in the Ponnambalam that represents the 28 ways to worship Lord Shiva. The 28 pillars are supported by 64 plus 64 roof beams that represents the 64 arts. On the other hand, the cross beams are used to represent the blood vessel that run across the human body. There are 6 pillars at the Artha Mandapa that represents the 6 different types of sastras. On the adjacent side of the mandapa, there are 18 pillars that represents the 18 Puranams. Interesting facts about the precious gemstones. Have you guessed it? Yes, diamond. Diamonds are the sparkling gemstones that are loved by women of every age group. And here are some interesting facts about this dazzling stones. Diamonds are the billions of years old, and in some cases they can be more than 3 billion years old. The Romans and Greeks used to believe that the diamonds were the tears cried by the gods, or the splinters from the falling stars. Diamonds are nearly 100% carbon and are made up of a single element. Diamonds can only be scratched by another diamond, and they are the hardest natural substance ever known. About 250 tons of earth is mined to produce a single 1-carat diamond. Diamonds form about 100 miles below ground and have been carried to the Earth's surface by deep volcanic eruptions. Okay viewers, I think you all are enjoyed about this. If you are enjoyed means please like, share and comment. Okay, bye, tada.